Now, Channel 3 early warning weather.
Well, we are just over 2 hours officially into the autumn season, and it's certainly feeling like it across Connecticut behind a cold front that is bringing a dramatic drop in temperature, and also one that brought some rain to Connecticut earlier today. A couple rounds, one this morning, one then through early afternoon. The totals have been pretty impressive. South Woodstock at over 2 inches, Mansfield Center over an inch and a half. Bridgeport a daily record for the 22nd of September, 1¼ inch, over an inch from Windsor Locks. Bradley Airport, Jefferson Staffordville over an inch, and just over 9/10 of an inch, I should say, of rain from Wethersfield. Thank you to Roger. So no more real additional rain that we're expecting tonight outside of a couple sprinkles. Temperatures are trending from the 60s into the 50s. Some hilltown communities already in the northwestern part of our state into the upper 40s. So 60, great visibility from our view atop Hartford 21 and looking live from New Haven. Just some scattered clouds out there this evening, 61 there in the Elm City. So there goes all the rain from earlier clearing the Cape and Islands. Behind it, you can see that northwesterly flow sending cooler, drier air into the state. In fact, chillier air more in line with, again, late October as opposed to late September for the day tomorrow. So this cold front moving through also is going to help deflect Fiona, still a Category 4 storm, away from the east coast. And as Fiona lifts north and high pressure builds in between the two, the wind will certainly be up throughout the day tomorrow and relax a bit as over the upcoming weekend. So the center of the storm passing to the west of Bermuda, that little speck there, doing so as a Category 3 storm later tonight, and then lifting quickly northward to between, say, Nova Scotia and Newfoundland as a powerful storm. With regard to any sort of impacts here across southern New England, just some large swells, some rough seas, so high surf advisories up for Atlantic-facing coastline through tomorrow night. So in addition to Fiona, of course, there's Gaston up in the northern Atlantic. We have a couple of waves coming off the coast of Africa, and then a little bit closer to home through the Caribbean, we have Invest 98L. That is a particular system that our models continue to show moving across the Gulf of Mexico, likely becoming our next named storm. That would be Hermine, our next one. And some of our models take it into the Gulf, and then some actually up the East Coast. So something that we'll be monitoring very closely for you, of course, in the days ahead. Meanwhile, tonight, temperatures drop to the low and mid 40s inland, mid and upper 40s along the 95 corridor, and any cloudiness that lingers tomorrow morning should give way to a mostly sunny sky as our day progresses. So looking bright as we close out the week, but also blustery. High temperatures 55 to near 60 inland, low 60s along the 95 corridor. For Saturday morning, an even chillier start. Temperatures down perhaps even into the upper 30s in the usual cooler spots of northwest and northeast Connecticut, and by Saturday afternoon trending milder, and that is a trend that will continue as we head through the second half of the weekend. So Saturday, lots of sunshine, then cloud cover begins to increase as we head into early Sunday morning. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds, and there's going to be a chance for at least some scattered showers later in the day Sunday. It does not appear to be a washout. By Sunday afternoon, temperatures back in the low 70s. Next week, starting off with temps in the low 70s on Monday with some lingering showers. Otherwise, we're trending cooler back into the low and mid 60s by the middle part of next week. Shoreline highs this weekend, close to 70 on Saturday, then lower 70s Sunday afternoon.